Question of the day, mother truckers, for all you truck drivers out there, when you're driving in the dark, what are some tips that you could give new truck drivers so that they can be safe and stay in their lane? Because in this video, there's an owner-operator, a mother trucker himself. His name is Patrick. He's driving this route every night. I know he knows the route, but this truck driver is in the middle of the lane. I'm talking for about 10 miles. And then every time he makes a turn, he's brake checking. He's going like 15 miles an hour, and he's super unsafe. So that's not what you want to do. I'm hoping this driver wasn't on his phone, but you can never tell. But mother truckers, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this. And, you guys stay safe out there. But we're always here to learn. New drivers are reading the comments. So let's help out these new mother truckers. Comment down below. Tell me, what would you do in this situation where you're driving? It's a little bit dark